Today we will discuss the preconcept of question number 153. Let's start. As we know that this question is related to stratified sampling and the allocation method used in the stratified sampling. So we will discuss what is stratified sampling, what are the allocation methods, and when we use these methods. As we know that stratified sampling is used when sampling units are heterogeneous in nature. To make the sampling units homogeneous, we group them based on some identical characteristics. These groups are technically called strata. For example, we have a population of 100 patients with different blood groups. Based on blood groups, we form groups or strata. Suppose we create 3 strata. In stratum 1, we include all the B positive blood groups patients. In stratum 2, we include all the B negative blood group patient, and in stratum 3, we include patient with other blood groups. Now the question is that what should be the sample size taken from each stratum and what procedure should be adopted to take the sample from each stratum. To answer this question, 4 methods are commonly used in literature. There are 4 methods used in stratified sampling to take the sample and to adopt the procedure to take the sample size. First is called the equal allocation method, second one is called proportional allocation method, third is optimum allocation method, and fourth is Neyman allocation method. To allocate the sample size using the optimum allocation method, we take into account 2 factors. Here we discuss only 2 methods, optimum allocation method and Neyman allocation method. So to allocate the sample size using the optimum allocation method, we take into account 2 factors. Number 1, the cost per observation and the variance of each stratum. First one is the cost per observation and the variance of each stratum. Variance is directly proportional to the sample size. What is the meaning of this? It means when stratum with the larger variance will be allocated a large sample size compared to other strata. The stratum with larger variance will be allocated a larger sample size compared to other strata. And cost is inversely proportional to the sample size. Meaning where the cost per observation is higher, a smaller sample size allocated to the stratum. Where cost is high, we allocate small sample size to that stratum. When the cost is fixed or the same across all strata, when sometimes cost is fixed or same across all strata, then we use Neyman allocation. Basically, Neyman allocation is a special case of optimum allocation. Now we discuss question number 153. In stratified sampling, when the cost per observation is the same or fixed in each stratum, but the variance within strata is different, which allocation method would you as a statistician prefer to allocate the sample size? As we discussed in above, when the cost is fixed but variance is different, then we use Neyman allocation, not the optimum allocation. When cost is not fixed and variance is also vary, then we use optimum allocation. When cost is fixed or same, then we use Neyman allocation. So the correct answer will be B, the Neyman allocation.